Hello friends, we are starting a new batch for Azure Data Engineering from May 27th, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. India time. This complete practical step-by-step job-oriented course includes good number of technical concepts and technologies including ETL, extract, transform and load, data warehousing, big data, storage, and big data analytics. This data engineering course from our school also includes great concepts, technologies like the Azure Data Factory, Synapse, Databricks, and Data Lake. And it includes open source technologies like Spark, Python, PySpark, and Scala. I assure you, complete practice-oriented classes from scratch, right from the basics. By the way, this is Sai Fanindra from SQL Pool, and I will be the trainer for the upcoming classes pertaining to Azure Data Engineer. I have been into database platform for more than 19 years, into core IT activities, right from a first job at Microsoft till date. So you see the course curriculum, its length and depth that clearly tells us about what exactly we at SQL School are. Yes, the sessions would be completely into practical zone, right from the scratch, right from the basics of Azure and big data, right from the basics of ETL and data warehousing. The image you see on the screen is the keyword checklist part of our classes. We have 2 weeks, Monday to Friday, 2 weeks exclusively on storage and data lake. We have 3 weeks exclusively on data factory and Synapse analytic module, and 2 more weeks on open source technologies, Databricks and PySpark. And that is not over. We have a project, an end-to-end project for our resume and job work. I request you to sign up for a live demo class and understand what is there more in our classes. What is Azure Data Factory? What is Synapse? What is the relation between them? What is Databricks? What is Spark SQL? What is PySpark? What is the relation between them? What's the purpose of each component? And how to integrate together, including data lake storage, stream analytics, and IoT. Where does Power BI stands from data engineering perspective? And why we need to do this particular ETL and data warehousing? What is the scope of data engineer? Why data engineers are in great demand right now in the industry? And what kind of challenges we face at our job work? What kind of challenges we face in the resume scrutiny? Right from the scratch, we'll start from the basics. Come on, let's meet for our live demo session on May 27th, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. India time. Thank you so much. See you there. You may visit our website sqlschool.com or contact our team, contact me directly, anyone, and get the session joining link for the live demo class. Thank you so much. See you there. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Thank you.